Good morning, my loves. Today we're going to get into talking about do not doubt. Stop doubting the process. When you allow a thought of doubt to enter your mind, the law of attraction will soon line up another doubtful thought after another, one after another after another. The moment of doubt, the doubt comes, release it immediately. Just don't claim it. Replace it with something positive. Send that thought out on its way. Replace it with, I know I am receiving what I want now. And feel it. Put some emotion into it. Practice it. But you can fight the doubt thoughts. We all get them. Just don't let them sit around in your head. Take an active role in replacing it with a positive thought. Remember to reinstate in your mind, your heart, and your soul that you are receiving what you want and what you asked for right now. Bring it into the now. Expect it, look for it, be happy about it. And with that, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll link below to some videos of mine that may help you. And I'll talk to you real soon. This is a short little video just to let you know you're loved. I haven't forgotten about you. God bless you all, and I'll talk to you again.